Yo dudes! Welcome to super easy one pan noodle bake. Most people think noodles take a long time. This literally will take 5 minutes prep. We mix the sauce, put the noodles, cover it and bake it in the oven. The oven does all the work. There's one pan to tidy up and this is incredibly tasty and it does work, so stick with us. Okay, first step, we have a nice wide bottom pan and in on top of that we're going to start by adding our sauce ingredients. So we've one full fat tin of coconut milk. If you want to, you could use low fat coconut milk. So in on top of our coconut milk, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of tamari. If you don't have tamari, could I use soy sauce? Yeah, you could use any kind of soy sauce if you have it. So we've got a nice thumb-sized piece of ginger. I've got 2 cloves of garlic, which I have finely diced or roughly diced. We're going to go in with how much chili powder, which you would like, so probably about 1/3 to 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Juice of half a lemon or lime, just squeeze it in. We're using lime, so there's no seeds, just easier to work with. And then we're going to go with what? Sweetener. I've got with sweetener, which is 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Could I use maple syrup? You could use whatever sweetener you have. We're going with coconut sugar here just because it's got a nice caramelly note to it. So just give that a nice mix, our sauce, just so it evenly distributes when we bake it. And then I've got 200 grams of tofu. If you don't like tofu, replace with mushrooms, replace with tempeh, replace with any other. Jackfruit works great too. So I'm just chopping them into nice cubes. So 200 grams of tofu, just pop it one of the corners. So we're gonna pop our noodles on the base, just they cook better and they don't go crispy, even though I do like them quite crispy. We have 250 grams of noodles of choice. These are vermicelli. And then on top of that, you're just gonna add whatever veg you like, any kind of fast cooking veg. So we've got some pak choi, we've got some scallions, and we've got some mushrooms of choice. We're using shiitake mushrooms, use oyster, chestnut, bud, and portobello, whatever sort of mushroom you like. We're gonna go with a little bit of chili on top, just I think it goes beautifully with this dish. And then we're gonna go in with probably about 300 to 400 ml of water, which is gonna be cook our noodles in. And in essence, the water, what we want it to do is just to ensure the noodles are submerged. So key to this recipe is just to make sure we cover the dish, just to ensure the water stays in. So we're gonna make this very simple and just add a baking pan on top, or else just cover it in tin foil or aluminum foil. So we've got our oven preheated to 200 degrees and we're gonna bake it for 25 minutes. Okay, let's see how this dish looks. Woo! Oh, that's beautiful. So it really is very nice. Just mix our veg through. Even the tofu has got a nice flavor through it. So this is gorgeous. Literally took us 5 minutes prep. Oven did all the work. Thanks for all the incredible feedback on our new book. And for those who've ordered it, it is a book that celebrates 20 years in business, our best recipes. There's a whole chapter on fermentation. We're gonna serve this with some fermented kimchi. I'll show you, we'll serve this now. We're gonna serve this with some sesame seeds on top. We're using a little bit of white ones, and then we're gonna serve this with some kimchi. And there is a whole section in our new book on fermented foods. Like, fermented foods are just, we adore them. We make a ton of them here. And this is a really nice, simple kimchi, which we're serving. So, there you are, Mr. Flynn. Yes, please, yes. So here we go, dedicated to you, one pan noodles. Yum. Oh, look at that, beautiful. That's delicious. Like, it's so tasty, like, at least growing up, we didn't really eat noodles, and they always seemed like the most complicated thing ever. Here, the everything's soft and succulent, and whatever way by baking it, it's just really, and covering it was very important. Oh, I love that. Do try this. If you do try, please tag us on social media. I just want to say thanks, Mil, for watching and for all the support. And our new book is out if you'd like to support it. Happy Pear 20. Yeah, if you'd like to support it, it's available in all good bookshops and you can get it online, and makes a great Christmas gift. Yeah. So thanks a million. Cheers. Bye.